In this session, I'll demonstrate how to take attendance in eLearning or Moodle, the Moodle learning management system. Earlier, I demonstrated how to configure the attendance in the course, and if you need help with that, please refer to the previous tutorial on configuring the attendance. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to actually take attendance in class. So typically you'd go to the course, and then you'd scroll down and find the attendance record. It's important to understand that you need only one of those records on the course page here. You don't need to create one for each week that the class meets, because you create that within this attendance record. You click on it, and then you find the day that you want to record the attendance for the students. So let's say we go here under the 4th of October, and you find that specific date, and then you click on this blue triangle here where it says Take Attendance. Once we click on Take Attendance here, then simply you basically be able to see a list of students here in your course, and then the easiest would be to simply press P here for present for all students. So you're marking everybody present, and then you call everybody's name in the class, and then you mark the ones that are either not present or excused and such. Now here you can also put notes. So if I mark this as excused, you could put notes in there, see email from 10/1. So basically these notes, these remarks would be for your own reference. And then simply press Save Attendance here. And now attendance has been taken for October 4th. So if we scroll down, the record where we have taken attendance here would be clickable. Notice the other ones, you couldn't click on them unless you click on the blue triangle here. And you can either click on the actual record here to open it up and update something about the attendance in the class, or you could go to this green icon on the right hand side of that specific record, and you can change the attendance and update. For example, somebody who eventually showed up for class, you can go and mark them as present if necessary, and then press Save Changes. Now the students, of course, will be able to see their own records on their end when they sign into the system, as well as you here being able to see a report of all the users in this class. So if we go here under Report, and this is how you'd be able to see it, click on Report, you'd be able to see specifically for each student when they were present and when they didn't show up for class. Notice here that on 10/4 that I took the attendance here. This is how it will show up if everybody is present. If somebody is absent, they would have a score of 0 out of 2. And then they see the percentage in the very far right and such. So that's how you take attendance in the course, and that's how you update the records for the attendance in the e-learning system.